In 2026, UK workshops are under more pressure than ever. Operators expect faster turnaround, compliance remains critical, and every square meter of workshop space matters. That's why more workshops are turning to smarter, more flexible equipment like the mobile brake tester from Totalkare. Unlike fixed brake testing systems, a mobile brake tester gives you the freedom to test vehicles where it works best for your operation. There's no need to dedicate a permanent bay and no major building works to get started. For busy workshops, that means less disruption, more flexibility, and better use of available space. Speed is another major advantage. In a fast-paced workshop, moving vehicles between bays costs time. A mobile brake tester helps reduce unnecessary vehicle movement and allows technicians to carry out brake checks more efficiently as part of the service process. The result? Faster inspections, smoother workflow, and improved productivity throughout the day. Brake testing isn't just about ticking a box. Workshops need accurate, repeatable results they can rely on. A mobile brake tester provides clear performance data to support maintenance decisions, improve safety, and give customers added confidence in the quality of your service. For UK commercial vehicle workshops, it's also a practical way to strengthen compliance readiness while delivering a professional, modern service. With Totalkare, you get more than equipment. You get a solution designed around the real demands of workshop life. In 2026, flexibility, efficiency, and reliability matter more than ever. A Totalkare mobile brake tester helps your workshop save space, save time, and stay ready for the road ahead. Learn more at totalkare.co.uk.